Hello, everyone. So, getting right to it, one of the things that I've been asked about are questions relating to the Trinity. The theology of the Trinity is that there is one God who is Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Specifically, the questions I get can all be summarized into one. How is it that there is one God, but the Father is God, the Son is God, the Holy Spirit is God, yet there is only one God? So, to better explain that, I'm going to summarize it into a mathematical problem. The problem is, how is it that 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 1? So before I do that, we're going to go over some mathematical topics in order to get to this point. If you want the more detailed math behind this, specifically abstract algebra, please let me know. Okay, so here we go. First, we have 1/2 equals 3 over 6. Now, at a glance, that is not the same because you have the 2 and the 6 in the denominator. So we will continue from here. Next, we have 1 yard equals 3 feet. Again, that will explain how you have the one God equals 3 persons in the Trinity, but not how each of them can be called God. Okay, so for that, you will need to deal with abstract algebra, but I'll simplify it here for a visual analogy. Okay, so I have here a Rubik's Cube, but specifically a floppy cube, because it is 3 by 1. Notice how I rotate one turn and see the different ways it looks like, each of the 6 sides. Now I rotate it back to its original position. Now watch what happens when I rotate the same piece 3 times. Let's do it together. 1 rotation, 2 rotations, and 3 rotations. Okay, now after I do it, let us look at the floppy cube. Notice how the floppy cube looks exactly the same as when I did it with a single rotation. So in here, 1 rotation plus 1 rotation plus 1 rotation equals 1 rotation. There's no denominator, there is no different units. We now have an example of 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 1 in real life. This is a way to understand the Trinity, a way to help us understand how the Father is God, the Son is God, and the Holy Spirit is God. And there is only one God. Thank you all for watching, and God bless.